Hi guys, I'm going to walk us through an example of finding the area of a trapezoid. Now, although there is a different formula for finding the area of a trapezoid, I don't like to stick to formulas. I like to actually understand conceptually. So one way I like to do that is to break a trapezoid into shapes that we already know and understand how to find the area of. So some of those shapes are parallelograms and triangles, right? Here we can see we have one parallelogram in the middle and two triangles on the outside. So what can we do? We can just simply find the area of each one of those. So I'm going to start off with the parallelogram. We know that in order to find the area of the parallelogram, we have to multiply the base and the height. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put P for parallelogram, and we would do 50 times 100 for that, right? Because we do base times height. And that would give us 5,000. All right, so 5,000 is going to be the area of only the parallelogram part. And we want to move on to each triangle. So I'm going to make this triangle over here red. And same thing, we want to find the area of the triangle. Remember, area of triangle, I'm going to put T1 for triangle 1. Is base times height, but then divided by 2, because there's two triangles in every parallelogram. If I split this in half, there would have been two triangles, right? That's why we divide by 2. So I'm going to look at my base of that triangle. I could see right here that it's 10. And then I'm going to look for the height. I could see right here that it's 50. And then remember, I'm going to have to divide that by 2. 10 times 50 is going to give me 500. I'm going to divide that by 2 to give me an area of 250. So my area over here is going to be 250. All right, now I need to find my final area of this final triangle, and then we can put them all together and be done. So triangle 2, once again, base times height divided by 2. So what's my base? I could see right here that it's 15. My height is the same as my other figures over here at 50, because I know that this length is the same as this one. And then once again, I'm going to divide by 2. So we're going to do this math. We're going to do the 15 times 50. And that's going to give us 750. And then we want to divide that by 2 for our area. That's going to give us 375. All right, now we have all three areas, so we can find the total area of this figure. How are we going to do that? We're just simply going to add them all. 250 plus 5,000 plus 375. We're going to do all that math. And that is going to give us plus 250. It's going to give us 5,625, and that would be feet squared since it's area. All right. So remember, when you have a trapezoid, just break it down to what you know, and you will be all set up for success. Hopefully that helped you out.